Hi everyone, I'm Chef Naledi and today I'm taking over the Eskort kitchen. It's January skhaftin season and everybody's looking out for skhaftin ideas. Today I'm preparing cheese and bacon pies for our little ones using obviously my favorite Eskort diced bacon. So we're going to start off by heating our pan. No need to add oil because there's the natural fats from the bacon. And while that is cooking, we're going to start preparing our pastry. Start off by dusting your clean surface with flour, puff pastry, roll it out, dust your rolling pin, roll it out, cookie cutter, dip it in your flour. Make sure that your pastry is an even number of cutouts because we're going to use one as the base and the one as the topping. You can still use this extra puff pastry and I'm going to start filling. Let me start with the cheese. Now we are going to take our bacon. We are going to take the other half of our pastry, gently put it over there and gently press down. As easy as that. Poke a few holes on top, break an egg. Next, we're going to take it to our preheated oven and bake it for 20 to 25 minutes. This is how our pie will look. If you want to add sauces, you can take these little plastic containers and then you just pop it in there. And you are good to go.